throwing you guys on the head cam really quick. See if it works. Yep, it's working. All right, so I gotta blur out my address here. Don't want you to see that. Tried my best to Sharpie it, but let's go ahead and... All right. Anyways, let's get right into it. Cool. All right, so we get one Raceland die cut boy or something. I don't know. Looks pretty shitty. I don't know if that's gonna end up on the E36. Looks like some Chinese crap. But here we got a very weak little instruction packet here. Do not use any kind of... I'm not gonna read that. What else? Let's get into the fucking meat and potatoes of this. Wow, little box. It's in here. It's neat. If I can figure out how to open it, it'd be a lot neater. Fucking A, guy. Okay, we're ripping it. Oh, look at that. We get a little keychain. Wow, that's actually kind of cool. All right, I can't lie, that's kind of dope. It's kind of cool for like the inclusion and the fact that they're like $400 coilovers. That's pretty dope. We'll put that back in its... I mean, the foam is even fucking cut out for the little key ring, which is kind of an extra move, but cool. That's a $10 little perk. Plus we got the chintzy little sticker. That's nice. So let's get into the meat and potatoes here. To be honest, I don't know much of what I'm looking at. I kind of ordered these because I just want Stancy Boy over there to be more Stancy. So yeah, we got... I believe this is for the front. I actually have no idea. All I know is that you can get this whole setup for your E36, or actually for all cars, for 475 bucks. Like, that's shipping and tax included for like 475 bucks. So that's a heavy ass spring. We're definitely adding weight, I think. That's a cool color though. It's like a mint color. Let's go ahead, actually. Let's look. Let's look. That's gonna look awful. So these little guys, these are to adjust, and okay, that's to adjust the height, I guess, because really with these coilovers all you're getting is height adjustability and I think maybe stiffness. Maybe not, I could be wrong. You know what am I doing? I'm just gonna leave these in here. We'll take them out in a second. I guess it would make sense that the front is the actual coilover and then the back is just this. So here we got, yeah, that makes sense. Definitely. So this is probably the front. Can we get a little price tag on here? Nope, just a little warning. Cutting a zip tie. Put it back in its little condom guy. Now, when I say meat and potatoes, oh, and the spanner wrenches are in there, okay. Yep, here's your spanner wrenches. Don't give a fuck. Here is this really fucking meaty boy, dude. That feels like China, so we got Raceland Ultimo, or ULT E36, that's cool. So they're powder coated, which is nice. They're not gonna rust out as fast. And these mint colored springs. So I guess we get 4 inches of drop, which is not gonna be happening on that car just because I'm not gonna roll the fenders or anything. We just wanna get some low boy action here. So these are just to adjust that. Very cool, don't care. Put it back in the bag and say see you later. All right guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video. For a solid 475 bucks shipped to your door, you're gonna get your rear springs here with your adjustability and your struts, and you're gonna get the 2 fronts with like the dual spring action, whatever, however that garbage works. Basically, if you want the low aesthetic and you don't really care about crazy adjustability, you don't get dampering, you don't get any adjustability realistically. So this is basically what you got. These springs, at least for the E36, are, everyone has been saying that they ride a little stiff, so we'll have to test that out. I think it's an 800 spring rate. Can't remember, I think it's 800. But yeah, like I said, you're basically getting, you know, it's baseline stuff. It is neat that they throw in stuff like that. But for 475 bucks, I can't say anything about them yet because they are not on the car yet. I'm about to stash them in the trunk and we'll get to them when we get to them. But that is it for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Stay tuned because we will be installing these, I swear. So thanks for watching. Peace out. See ya.